Welcome to my channel 5-Minute Auto, and please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video. The Ford Escort Mk3, introduced in 1980, was a pivotal model for Ford, marking a major departure from its predecessors with its new front-wheel drive layout and hatchback design. This change came as Ford aimed to compete in the compact car market with rivals such as the Volkswagen Golf, and the Escort Mk3 proved to be a game-changer, both in Europe and the UK. At the heart of the Mk3's appeal was its versatile and modern design. Available in a range of body styles, including the popular 3-door and 5-door hatchback, as well as a saloon and estate version, the Escort Mk3 catered to a broad audience. Its sharp, angular lines and sleek profile were a significant shift from the more rounded designs of earlier models. This was the first Escort to offer a true hatchback layout, which greatly improved practicality for families and young drivers alike. Under the hood, the Ford Escort Mk3 offered a variety of engines to suit different needs. The base models were equipped with Ford's Kent Crossflow engine, which ranged from 1.1 to 1.6 liters, with horsepower ranging from around 50 HP for the smaller engines to 96 HP for the more powerful XR3 performance variant. The XR3, and later the fuel-injected XR3i, were among the most sought-after models, appealing to drivers who wanted a sporty yet affordable option. The XR3i produced around 105 hydrogen phosphide, offering a spirited driving experience. In terms of performance, the Escort Mk3 was no speed demon, but it provided respectable figures for its class. The standard models could achieve a top speed of around 85 to 100 miles per hour, 137 to 160 km per hour, depending on the engine, with the sportier XR3i reaching up to 115 miles per hour, 185 km per hour. The XR3i could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 9 seconds, which made it competitive in the hot hatch market of the 1980s. The Escort Mk3 was also known for its handling and agility. Thanks to its lightweight construction and front-wheel drive layout, it offered a nimble driving experience that was ideal for city driving and winding roads. The car's suspension, featuring McPherson struts at the front and a torsion beam rear axle, provided a balanced mix of comfort and responsiveness. Fuel efficiency was another key factor in the Escort Mk3's success. With the fuel crises of the 1970s still fresh in people's minds, the Mk3's more efficient engines were a welcome feature. The 1.3-liter model, for instance, could achieve around 35 to 40 mpg, making it an affordable car to run in terms of fuel consumption and maintenance costs. Inside, the Ford Escort Mk3 was practical and well-designed, offering a functional dashboard with easy-to-read gauges and controls. While the interior materials were not particularly luxurious, they were durable and well-suited to everyday use. The spacious cabin and large boot made the car suitable for families, further enhancing its appeal. The Ford Escort Mk3 was a huge success for Ford, becoming one of the best-selling cars in Europe during its production run. Its combination of affordability, practicality, and modern design made it a popular choice among drivers of all types. Today, the Mk3 is remembered as one of the defining cars of the 1980s and remains a beloved classic among car enthusiasts. Its legacy continues in the world of classic hot hatches, with the XR3i being particularly sought after by collectors.